We believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in thinking differently. The way we challenge the status quo is by changing the convention, like we have for level, inventory, and density measurement solutions for over the years. We just happen to have the best solution with an innovative solution for power plants, the RF level switch for ESP hoppers, which from being an ornament product in the 80s has now become a mandatory requirement for every ESP fly ash hopper. And EIP is proud to have almost 60% of the power plants and other process industries like cement, steel, alumina, mining, fertilizer, refineries, chemical, grain and wastewater in India and neighboring countries using EIP products. However, this journey is incomplete without the mention of many more milestones, including the recognition with awards, association and collaboration over the years with various technology partners for continuous level measurement, flow meters, density meters, 3D stockpile measurement solutions and knife gate valves. Dr. Ravinder Goyal's passion for innovation has been instrumental in establishing a legacy which our complete EIP family is proud to be a part of. Currently situated in the heart of industrial estate of Noida, the manufacturing, designing, testing and calibration facility has been built as per international standards with quality management systems ensuring the delivery of the product with highest precision and accuracy. Here we cannot miss the second generation's involvement in the growth of the business over the last few years with Dr. Abhishek Goyal and Mr. Rajat Goyal striving hard towards building a diverse portfolio and brand image of the company, along with aligning with the long-term vision of our passion for innovation. Welcome aboard EIP and allow us the opportunity to be a part of your application and solution.